Not everything's meant to be shared. Look, this for anyone out there going through a hard time, I got you. Just know you on my mind. Part of me never leaves and part of me never grows. Part of me never sees everything I'm ever told. Too caught up trying to purchase gold that I forgot what it really meant to be whole. Like, yeah, I wish I listened little more, mama. I wish I understood the struggle in the world, mama. I wish I helped around the crib a little more, mama. I wish we fought a little less, man, I hate drama. But I gotta realize through adolescence, the lessons you teach yourself through progression and all these sessions. Finally, I've been getting what it means to be a man. Goes deeper than pride, respect, and building up your fam. Understand that money can't bring you love, and money can't set you free from all that holds you back in a world filled with greed. Love what you got and cherish every moment. Even when I'm gone, I will always be a poet. Close my eyes and I'm seeing the waves crash. Close my eyes and I'm seeing the rain fall. Close your eyes and you just wanna make cash. Close my eyes and I'm seeing your brain small. Oh, the power of imagination. Imagine a world where John Lennon never made no creations. My fascination with art and constellations at dark from the start helped me remain my heart ever so loving, ever so touching, ever so cutting like the industry. It's more than talent from what y'all can see. I know all of you peep that. I'm just trying to grow. Someone tell me where the seeds at. Appreciate the love and everyone's feedback. Really, I need that. Come and see where we at. Come and see where we at. Positive vibrations running through my body. I feel the love overflowing like a huge tsunami. Same people wanna talk shit, now they all wanna show love. Who follow me on my Instagram, I'm throwing shots, you better learn to duck. So who the fuck you flexing on?